That is 6 inches, and I'm that close to ground now. I think that's crazy. Hi everyone, Sujit here, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is about middle splits, and it's roughly been 5 months that I've been training for middle splits, and over the last month or so I've seen a lot of progress. So let's talk about it while I do a little session in my backyard. So at the start of this year I made a resolution that I need to be more flexible, and from last 5 months I've been constantly working towards that. And over the last 1 month especially, I've made huge progress with middle splits, especially for a person who's never been flexible or who's coming from a bodybuilding background. It's just incredible that, if somebody is even closer to doing that middle splits, it's so much motivating, because that was something which I've never thought I'll be able to do, not even in my dreams. So doing that in actual is really motivating. I have to tell you one thing, doing all these advanced moves, it's more of frustration than success, because you have to do that constantly over and over again, and it takes a lot of time. So why I'm making all these videos about middle splits, and some of you might be thinking that I'm obsessed with that move. And honestly speaking, maybe I am, but out of the bunch of goals for this year, that is in my top 2, so I have to do that anyway. So when I posted the last video, I was sitting somewhere around 12 to 15 inches away from the ground, and now over the last 2 weeks I have closed that down to 6 inches, which is ridiculous, like seriously, in a good way. So 6 inches is roughly that much, so it seems like it's coming now. So I follow a couple of guys on YouTube, and they're my role models, and one of them was saying that achieving those middle splits is more of a mind game. If you can convince your mind that you can do it, you will achieve it. So seems like I have convinced my mind, and it's coming without a doubt, no question about it. By the end of this year, I will. I'm loving it, because so I'll leave you guys with the progress video I made. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to share. So that's it from my side today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, stay young.